guys, my name is Kristen and thanks so much for watching Chris Crafts. Today we're going to be making hanging cutting boards. To start, you'll need some bamboo cutting boards from the Dollar Tree, as well as wall decals that I also purchased from the Dollar Tree, some sort of string or twine, and an adhesive. To start, I went ahead and just opened up these packages and started sticking. As you can see, I sped this up quite a bit because my indecision annoyed even myself, so this is for you guys. You're welcome. Luckily, these things are removable. The only thing you have to be careful about is because they are a paper product, they do tear very easily. So just when you're lifting, be very careful. On the plus side, they do seem to maintain their stickiness very well, and it looks really nice, even if I've removed the same piece 4 different times. On the back of this camera one, instead of leaving it blank, I went ahead and decorated the back as well because I do not intend to hang this one, and I'll explain that in just a bit. Alrighty guys, so now that we have got all of our boards decorated, we're going to go ahead and cut our twine or string. You can't see my ruler there at the bottom, but I measured out 9 inches and just cut 3 of them because I intend to hang these 3 boards. Alrighty, so now that we've got our string cut out, my husband saw that I was going to hot glue on these boards without sanding first, and he thought I was crazy. I don't think it's necessary to sand, but I went ahead and did it for him, so there you go, babe. So now that we've got it all sanded, we're ready to glue, and I just went ahead and glued the string down on both sides, and then I glued a little bit on top just to make it extra secure, and I did that with all 3. Alrighty guys, so as you'll see in just a moment, do not touch hot glue because it is very hot, but I found that this craft was really easy. It's definitely something you can do with little kiddos. It's as long as, you know, with adult supervision when it comes to the gluing part, but the sticking part was super easy. It's definitely fun, a good way to spend your days indoors, especially during this crazy time. So now that we've got our finished product, we'll go ahead and lay them out here for you to see. Again, this camera one, I intend to just have it lean up against the wall, and so just to show you guys what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and had as much fun watching it as I did making it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!